So smart manufacturing is about being more data driven and being able to take real time actions from data that is produced in manufacturing. And conditions are of a real time nature because they happen exactly when they happen. If you look at something 6 hours or 12 hours later, you won't see it. Yeah, I'll give you another such example. And I know I'm giving you examples because I want us to understand how this
Yes.
applies in smart manufacturing. This goes back to 2017 and 18. We were working with a mining company that was processing trona, which is a raw form of soda ash. And the United States is one of the top producers of soda ash. There is one of the largest deposits of that in the Wyoming area, Green River. And so one of our customers was finding that the variation in the grade of ore was affecting their equipment. Now, when you're in the mining industry, you don't get to control the ore precisely. Approximately, you can. So you're going to get variations in the ore. But also, you cannot get a real time assessment of the quality or grade of ore because the chemical process involves reagents and it takes some time for the reaction to finish. So it could be a few hours. And in that particular instance, it was 24 hours before they were able to deduce what is the ore grade. So the ore grade is a condition. And if it takes 24 hours for you to find out, certainly you're not going to be able to um, use that test for controlling production. So this is what I mean by real-time nature of conditions. And increasingly, we hear and see that in order for people to uh, do smart manufacturing, they need to have knowledge of the real-time condition. And therefore, actions that are made based on real-time condition are going to lead to smart manufacturing. So this is how we tie all of this together.